Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about SFI4.com, which is an affiliate program for making money online. All you got to do is just create an account. It's at the bottom. Your first name, last name, country, create a password and an email address, and get started. You can try for free, and if you have no experience, they'll train you for free. You can earn money from over 200 countries, and there's no purchase requirements ever. And you can work from or home or traveling from computer, tablet, or smartphone. The company started in 1998, is over 19 million users, and it's been credited by the Better Business Bureau by January 2000, and you can check their profile by clicking the link. You can earn commissions online for selling their products online, like promoting it through your Facebook channel, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and so forth. And they have local vendors. There's like a lot of, they have one, the popular is the 24-hour e-clear Zebra online game and how to save money from Astro auctions. And there's testimonials. And there's been like a lot of reviews on the website. It's pretty much like they pay you. It's 100% legit. So far, how they pay you is by either PayPal, direct deposit. Okay, their affiliate agreement. You agree. The only one affiliate per household is allowed. It was like, so pretty much it's based on where you are. And affiliate agree not to disperse affiliates information, so forth. Everything registers automated machine entry. If you break one of the rules, they can suspend or terminate your account. So you can send electronic gift card to friends, which is about 10 per day. So I think for like send them like a $10, maybe like some money gift card, spell on the website. And if they find you spamming, they can block your channel. You'll have visitors will be tracked with unique URL with your appropriate ID to receive commission. You must use the provided affiliate link. And also, you can do this full-time or part-time. Just read the affiliate agreement program below for more information. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.